Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore how UX designers use AI to create scalable dashboard UI designs. Let's get started. We are now in the era of AI, where many people expect complete UI screen to be created instantly using AI tools. However, as UX designers, we understand that design is not a one-time activity. It is an iterative process that requires continuous refinement until business goals are achieved and both stakeholder and users are satisfied. User interfaces often go through multiple revisions based on feedback, usability improvement, branding updates, and functional requirement. Because of this, generating an entire screen in a single prompt may not always be the most effective approach. To solve this challenge, I recommend a more structured and scalable method. Instead of creating the full interface in one step, we can generate the design section by section. Each prompt should clearly define the layout, components, alignment attributes, spacing, colors, typography, and interaction for that specific section. This approach provides greater flexibility. For example, if a client requests changes to the header style, footer design, or overall color theme, only the section need to be updated. We can easily modify the prompt or apply CSS changes, then regenerate the required screen efficiently without affecting the entire design. Now let us look at a practical example using a responsive dashboard layout. The dashboard consists of four major sections: a collapsible left sidebar, a top header, a main content area, and a footer. The left sidebar serves as the primary navigation panel. By default, it occupies 20% of the viewport width. When collapsed, it reduced to 5%, displaying only navigation icon for a compact view. At the top of the slide bar, there is a logo section with a height of 80 pixels. The logo is centered both vertically and horizontally. A toggle button is placed nearby, allowing user to collapse or expand the sidebar with a smooth animated transition. The navigation menu is including key items such as the dashboard, user management, master data, chat, analytics, file settings, and notifications. The user management section can also contain submenus such as the manage users, manage roles, deactivated users, user access and permission, and user delegations. At the bottom of the sidebar, a user profile section is displayed with a circle avatar, username, and logout option. Next is the header section. The header remains fixed at the top of the screen. By default, it occupies the remaining 80% width. When the sidebar collapses, the header automatically expands to 95%. On the right side of the header, profile and logout icon are positioned for quick access. The background uses a professional gradient, transitioning from white to deep blue. The main content area is a fully responsive and dynamically adjusts according to the sidebar state. Within the content area, we include a responsive employee management table. The table contains columns such as the employee ID, name, mobile number, joining date, department, role, job location, and actions. Initially, 10 sample rows are displayed, with pagination enabled to manage larger dataset efficiently. The action column contains edit and delete buttons. Selecting delete remove the selected row, while editing enable inline row updates. An add row button is placed at the top right corner of the table, allowing users to quickly insert a new record. Now that we have created all the section, our prompt is ready. Let's begin creating the screen step by step. First, we copy the content from our document and paste it into the Weasley wireframing tool. The tool then generates the screen based on the provided prompt. Once the screen is generated, we carefully review each section to ensure everything is aligned and displayed correctly. If the output meets our expectation, we can reuse the same prompt as a standard layout and update only the body content whenever needed. For real project work, I recommended using the Pro version as the free version has limitation and does not support advanced feature like animations. Another advantage of the approach is that prompt can be managed both page-wise and section-wise. This makes it easy to update or modify a specific part of the design whenever feedback is received. This method helps save time, maintain consistency, and improve overall decision efficiency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments. I am always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.